In this video, we're going to show you how to access the configuration menu of the 380 Synergy. You can see here our 380 Synergy is currently powered up. In order to access the configuration menu, we'll have to start by powering down the indicator. I'm going to do this by pressing and holding the print button, or the power button here, until the display says off. I can release the key and it powers down. Now the trick to getting into the configuration menu is that when we power up the scale, one of the things we'll do is going through the boot up sequence is the scale display will count up to 9. We have to press the 0 button before the display reaches 9. If it goes past that, it'll eventually go into regular operating mode and we'll have missed our opportunity to get into config. So let's go ahead and power up the unit. Press and hold power till it lights up, and then we'll hit that 0 key, and that'll bring us into the configuration menu.